Hi, I'm Donna Korn, Broward County Countywide School Board member. I am proud to once again recognize May as National Foster Care Month on behalf of the Broward County School Board.
Greetings. I'm Nora Rupert, Broward County School Board District 7, but most importantly, I'm a mom of 3 children, all from adoption, and our second son, Dylan, we adopted him from foster care, and I'd like to share with you a little bit about that process. First of all, we have a tremendous amount of students and children over the age of 6 in our foster care system that are looking for a loving home.
As a child growing up, I was fortunate to have the opportunity to share endearing memories with many children in the foster care system. My parents taught me the value of caring for others in countless ways, but none greater than bringing these children into our own family home. The wonderful children that in some cases spent weeks with us and others who spent many months created vivid memories that I cherish to this day. As a past guardian at Lightem, I can share there are diverse ways that as a community we can come together to support children in foster care. National Foster Care Month brings awareness for how we can all reach out to children in foster care system to support them through legislation, volunteering, and sharing our homes. For more information, you can visit childwelfare.gov/fostercaremonth to get involved and make a difference in the lives of children in foster care. I encourage everyone to be proactive champions of foster youth who need us now more than ever, as they have faced their own unique challenges through the pandemic. Thank you.
We were very excited to put our name on the list for a child over the age of 6. And when we heard about Dylan, he was 10 years old. My son Jared was 10 years old. So when we adopted Dylan, he basically had a twin brother in my home, so 2 10-year-old boys and my daughter Brenna. Jared and Brenna were adopted from attorneys. So we've kind of, run the gamut on foster care adoption. We've also foster cared for several young students and children to come through our house and to help them get ready for moving back into their home provider area and their family. Family reunification is an important part of the foster care. And as a board member, I'm also very, very happy and humbled to be able to bring you this resolution. This resolution is for the National Foster Care Month, May 2021. Whereas National Foster Care Month was established in 1988 to recognize the importance of the work of foster families, social workers, faith-based and community educators and organizations, and others that are improving the lives of young people in foster care across the country, and encourages all Americans to participate in efforts to service these young children throughout the year. Whereas all children deserve a safe, loving, and permanent home.
And whereas children enter the foster care system for a variety of reasons, such as substance abuse, mental illness, domestic violence, physical abuse, and/or neglect. And whereas a child entering the foster care system must confront the widespread misperception that children in foster care are disruptive, unruly, and dangerous, even though placement in the foster care system is based on the actions of a parent or guardian.
Whereas the primary goal of the foster care system is to ensure the safety and well-being of children while working to provide a safe and loving home for each child. And whereas children of color are disproportionately represented in the foster care system and are less likely to be reunited with their biological families.
And whereas, on average, there are almost 2,000 Broward County children living in foster care. And whereas the average child in the foster care system is 10 years old and will be placed in 3 different homes, leading to separations from siblings and unfamiliar surroundings.
And whereas most children who remain in foster care without placement with a permanent family struggle to prevent homelessness, unemployment, teen pregnancy, substance abuse, and involvement in human trafficking. And whereas there's a dire need for more out-of-home care placements in Broward County, Florida.
Now, therefore be it resolved that the School Board of Broward County, Florida acknowledges the unique needs of children in the foster care system, and that we recognize foster youth throughout the country for their ongoing tenacity, courage, and resilience while facing life challenges. And that we honor the tireless efforts of those who work to improve outcomes for children in the child welfare system. And we acknowledge the exceptional alumni of the foster care system who serve as advocates and role models for youth who remain in care. Hereby declares May 2021 as National Foster Care Month.